That call about an overdue business invoice might not be what it appears to be. Financial fraud against small businesses has surged by 70%, making your company a prime target. Scammers exploit economic uncertainty, knowing businesses are more susceptible to pressure. Knowing a real debt collector from a fake one is now a core business survival skill. In the next few minutes, you'll get a clear playbook to spot fraud and protect your company's assets. The first sign of a scam isn't what they say, but how they say it. They rely on emotion, not facts. Red flag number 1. They threaten legal action, business closure, or even arrest. This is forbidden for legitimate agencies. Red flag number 2. They claim to be from the IRS or law enforcement. This is an immediate sign of a scam. But what is the single piece of paper every legitimate collector should provide, which scammers cannot? We'll reveal that shortly. Next, follow the money. How they demand payment is a massive indicator of their true intent. Red flag number 3. Demands for payment by wire transfer, gift cards, or prepaid debit cards. These are untraceable. That paper we mentioned? It's a debt validation letter. While not federally required for business debts, real collectors provide it as a best practice. This letter is your proof. It details the debt, the original creditor, and your rights. Refusal to provide this is your signal to hang up. Scammers push for immediate payment to create panic. This prevents you from taking time to ask for validation or investigate their claims. Here's a fact most owners don't know. The main federal law, the FDCPA, generally does not cover business-to-business debt. This legal loophole is what scammers exploit. They know they can be more aggressive with businesses, so you must be more proactive. Now, you know the tactics. Let's see how they appear in a real call. Could your team spot this scam in progress? The call begins vaguely. They won't state their company name, just that it's about an unpaid account or serious matter. Then they ask you for information they should have, like, can you confirm your business tax ID, to fill in their own blanks. When you pause, they pivot to threats and demand an untraceable payment to resolve the issue today. Your correct response? Mail me a debt validation letter. I will not discuss this further until it is received. The scam ends here. Requesting written validation is your first defense. But what if a letter does arrive? How do you verify the verifier? A sophisticated scammer might send a fake letter. So what is the one verification step that is completely fraud-proof? Step 1 for advanced verification. Check their license. Many states require collectors to be licensed, which you can check online. Also, consider the payment types they offer. Legitimate agencies accept normal, traceable business payments like checks or credit cards. Even their first contact is a clue. Legitimate agencies typically send written notice before calling. A surprise aggressive call is suspicious. And now, for that fraud-proof step. Always go back to the source. Contact the original creditor directly. Using contact info, you find yourself. Recall the high-pressure tactics and the FDCPA loophole? They exist to stop you from taking this single step of calling the original creditor. The vague information, the threats, the strange payment demands, it's all a smokescreen to keep you away from the truth. Your defense is a simple, 3-step process. Hang up, demand it in writing, and verify with the source. This breaks the scammer's script. Knowing how to react is half the battle. But how do you make certain your entire team is prepared for this threat? The single most effective protection is internal training. Your employees in finance and accounts payable are your front line. Let's recap the anti-scam playbook. 1. Never pay from a phone call alone. 2. Always demand written validation. 3. Verify with the source. With fraud against businesses up 70%, this isn't a hypothetical risk. This knowledge protects your entire operation from financial ruin. Protect your business today. Share this video with your finance team and implement a mandatory verification policy immediately.